Made it to Quebec, and here's the amazing room I found, which by the way was kind of on a budget. That's the bathroom. So I got that massive deal. It was a last minute deal. And right now, all I can think about is take a shower in that lovely bathroom. I need to clean the hiking out of me before heading for supper and maybe a beer in downtown Quebec. Now, it's time for a well-earned hot shower. After an amazing hot shower, I just headed to downtown Quebec City. Just parked my car, and I'm about to take you on a stroll to discover nice things about this part of town, which is very historical, very old, but it's also vibrant and teeming with life. Oh my god, look at that! No matter where you go on the planet, no matter where you go, there's always gonna be a Lebanese person and a Lebanese restaurant. Quebec City is the national capital of the province of Quebec, Canada. And Canada is divided into provinces and 2 territories, and each province has its own capital. And Quebec City, which is situated around 300 kilometers north of Montreal, is where there is the General Assembly of Quebec, the Parliament of Quebec, all of which we're gonna visit tomorrow. So it's kind of the administrative town and the capital of the province of Quebec. And there's definitely a different vibe to Quebec than there is to Montreal. It is still vibrant, it might be a little less colorful, but it has a different vibe to it. And the reputation is there is a little bit more nationalism here, but I don't know much about it. Quebec City, back in the days when it was founded by the colonizers, used to be the first of 3 stops. So the colonizers would go across the Atlantic Ocean and enter the St. Lawrence River, and they would make their first stop at Quebec City. From there, for those who wished to keep going, there was a second massive stop, or big important stop, which was the city of Trois-Rivières, 3 Rivers, which was famous for fur trade. And the last stop on the St. Lawrence River used to be Montreal. What you're seeing here is part of a wall of a fortification of the city of Quebec. This dates back to the French and British era. And if I'm not mistaken, the part that's beneath it is the starting of the Plaine d'Abraham. That would be the main facade for the General Assembly building, or the Parliament of Quebec, which we will be visiting tomorrow during regular hours. There are many statues of different monuments commemorating different people and different events. many statues of many historical figures are depicted, as well as historical events. As for now, we're gonna cross the gate through the fortress walls and discover what's protected and hidden inside. And that would be Roosevelt facing Churchill, facing the gates. Every intersection I see, that's where I want to stop filming and see where I can grab myself something to eat. And at every intersection I change my mind, because there's even something better to see. So I'm gonna head to the main place that lies just ahead of me, and we're gonna call it a day there, and we're gonna resume our visit of Quebec City as of tomorrow. And just when I said I'm gonna call it quits at the main monument, it seems that there's something going on there, so let's go discover that. So it looks like that there's a show that a street artist just pulled out of the blue. And look at that massive gathering.
And at the end, if I make you happy with my show, every one of you make a difference to make me happy too. Thank you so much, guys.